Anthony Joshua calls out Tyson Fury after obliterating Jake Paul in their matchup. So this is a fight that everybody's been waiting for, man. Like, if it happens in 2026, both men will be making a whole lot of money and fighting in front of a sold out crowd in the UK. I mean, like, look, they need to go to Wembley Stadium. They need to get it done. Make this fight happen. There's so many fights out there for AJ. He can fight Wilder, he can fight Ruiz, he can fight the Dubois rematch. There's just so many opportunities, bro. I mean, as well for Tyson. Tyson can fight Dubois. He can sell out arenas still. So both men should come together, make this fight happen in 2026, give it 2 fights. If one person loses, they do the rematch, and if the other person loses, they have an amazing trilogy and they make a buttload of money, bro. Trust me, this is the way to go. So hopefully both men have a great 2026. Looking forward to it. We're waiting for Tyson to answer his call. Let's get it.